Hey there! Today we'll show you how to prepare these delicious potatoes with your TVF Asada. The first thing we're going to do is wrap the potatoes in aluminum foil. This will help them retain their heat and flavor while we prepare the other ingredients. We'll make some holes in the potatoes with a fork. This will allow them to cook faster and more evenly. While the potatoes are cooking, we'll prepare our delicious filling. We'll start by cutting a red bell pepper into julienne strips. Next, we'll use a head of garlic, which we'll chop into small pieces to add more flavor to our dish. In a skillet, we'll add a little oil and saute our garlic over low heat. Then we'll add the red bell pepper and a pinch of salt. While the pepper is cooking, let's make sure our potatoes are cooked well. We can check them by poking them with a fork. Next, we'll chop a scallion to use later. As part of the filling, we'll open an avocado and cut it into small pieces. Next, we'll use the delicious asada. Remember, you only need to heat it and serve it. Now let's heat the asada in a skillet. It only takes a few minutes. Great! The asada is hot and delicious, and we're ready to assemble our stuffed potatoes. Once our potatoes are ready, we'll add a pinch of salt, pepper, and some vegetable-based butter to give them that creamy touch. Next, we'll place a generous portion of the delicious asada into each potato, followed by the red peppers and, of course, the avocado. Finally, we add the scallion and voila! We have a quick, easy, delicious, and nutritious dish ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoy these delicious stuffed potatoes with the Vegan Factory Asada. Bon appetit!